Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous BMW M3 convertible. It's loaded with options. Triple black, so it's black outside, black inside, black top. Fairly stock, just custom painted wheels to match. It's got a front splitter, Billy Boat exhaust. That's about it. K&N air filter. Runs and drives beautiful. A little over 30,000 miles. Always garage kept, adult owned, brand new tires all the way around. 6-speed manual too, which makes it really rare. Splitter gives it a nice aggressive look. It is removable if you don't want it on there. Custom yellow fogs. Perfect Carfax, no accidents. Exhaust has got a real nice note to it. The exhaust a little so you can hear it. Top's in perfect shape. These are the original owner's manuals. Xenon headlights, factory navigation, cold weather package, side airbag package. Got the original owner's manual and window sticker. 38,150 miles. Exhaust sounds really good. Side airbags, rear airbags. Again, runs and drives great. Tons of receipts too. Here's the original window sticker. 59,555. Jet black, cold weather, rear side airbags, black soft top that's included, park distance, Xenons, Navi, Harmon, Kardon. Awesome. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. And hope to hear from you soon. Thanks a lot.